Tornado. They're cardboard boxes.
Wow. Oh, where's it? Video? Are you videoing it?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Oh my God, it's coming
That's
this way.
crazy.
It's not metal though, right?
No.
Oh my God. It's taking the roof off that building is what it's doing.
It probably is metal then.
God.
Oh
Listen
my
to that.
God, it's coming this way.
Are you sure that's tornado?
Yeah.
That's it
Oh,
sure is.
This is
Oh
like
my God, look at that. Unbelievable.
Is anybody out there?
Look at that roof. Oh my goodness.
oh, are they gonna come to us?
Closure? What the heck?
Are they gonna come to us?
Yeah, I think it's coming this way.
Oh,
Oh, my
shit,
God.
man.
Oh my god, look, there's something that heavy over there.
I know it's next to us.
Well,
Those,
if it
how
lifts
about?
up that truck there, then we're in trouble.
You're right.
I think those employee over there, they're hiding, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Hiding somewhere. Those like
Oh, it's moving to the left. Okay. Oh my God.
Oh.
Unbelievable.
It is right over us.
Yes!
They washed it for him right over there. Hey, look, it's still going.
Oh my God. Is that debris or is that? Holy.
Davis, that's going down, man.
Yeah, Noah.
Yo, that's an actual tornado.
Oh my God.
Motherfucker, that's close.
Where's the sirens? Holy shit.
I'm on the It's in the house! It's in the house! Oh no! At the house. Can you confirm it's a house? I'm pretty. I am pretty damn sure that was a home. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap.
right. Come on.
Across the road she goes. I think we're gonna be alright. She's going straight east.
Fuck.
It's definitely weather. Oh fuck. There she goes. I think we're just gonna barely miss it.
Fuck. It's gonna hit the neighbor's place.